So, good day everyone. Our group would like to present a system where financial management is our most concern. Let's welcome FinTrack. So, what is FinTrack? FinTrack is a digital system designed to help users manage and monitor their finances in a simple and organized way. It allows the users to record their income, expenses, and savings. Unlike other automated financial applications, FinTrack mainly uses manual inputs, where users enter their financial transaction themselves. For example, let's create an account. Johnard. Okay, Johnard. There you go. So in creating an account, guys, uh, is this our account is designed to, our system is designed to be simple, fast, and users friendly. Unlike other applications, FinTrack does not require password or OTP verifications during creation. So let's log in or register. In our dashboards, we can see here, uh, let's recreate this account. Let's delete this. Then our goal, no goal yet. Delete savings, delete also. There you go. So we have a new account. So in our dashboard, we can see here total savings, expenses, remaining balance, and goal progress. So let's add a goal. That's the main reason why we save. Let's say for example, PC, PC. Let's say for PC, and the amount is 20k, 20,000. Add goal. There you go. And let's say for example, I want to add 5k savings in my savings. 5,000, then add savings. So after adding an amount, you will see here every records, or every time you added an amount, it will be saving in the history. Let's say for example, we add another amount, which is 500, then add savings. There you go. So in expenses, let's say for example, I want to spend 1,000 for food, for food then add expenses. So yeah, after entering the amount, we will see the records in here. Now, so let's go back in the dashboard. So in the dashboard, we can see here a total savings, which is 5,500. Then we deducted it with 1,000, so we have the remaining balance, which is 4,500. So our goal here is to reach 20,000. We only have 5,500, then deducted by 1,000, so we only have 4,500. So our main goal here is to improve financial awareness and discipline by regularly recording transactions. Users can clearly see where their money goes. Here in expenses. So additionally, the system provides summaries and simple reports that users track their total income, expenses, and savings. This makes budgeting easier and effective. So thank you for listening, and let's log out. That's all. Thank you.